So this is free step-by-step guide to sell on Amazon FBA UK. This is dedicated for someone who is interested to sell on Amazon FBA UK. I could put this together as a course and charge you £1,000 for it, but I genuinely sell on Amazon. I'm a full-time seller. So for me, you can have this information for absolutely free. But I know people who just like don't actually sell on Amazon, but they just sell the courses to sell on Amazon. That never really made sense to me as well. So I'm going to show you all this stuff on the screen, everything step by step. So even you are absolutely dummy, you have no idea. After watching this video, you will have a clear idea what you are doing as well. So as I said, this is dedicated for UK people. For someone watching outside UK, I'm really sorry. So the first thing we need to do is register our business. That's what I'm going to show you on the screen. We're going to talk about business bank account as well. Wherever I need to share any kind of link with you, all that kind of stuff, I'm going to link that down inside the description. I'm going to tell you, what you can do with that link as well. And the next thing, I'm going to explain you how HMRC, tax, VAT registration, all those kind of work as well. I'm going to explain you everything, not in a rocket science. I'm going to, use very simple language, and I'm going to tell you in plain English how everything works there. We're going to talk about finding the products, what tool you will be using, and how to save money on those things as well. For each and every step, I will explain you all the cost, all the stuff as well. And then finally, how we gonna start selling on Amazon, like what is PPC, what is ACOS, but all those kind of stuff as well, reviews, all that kind of stuff as well. So let's get started. So first thing you're gonna do is register the business. For that one, you're just gonna go on a Google and search for open a limited company, right? You're just gonna go open a limited company and then go leave all this ad, all that kind of stuff as well. You want to go to official website and register the company by yourself. So first of all, you want to choose the name for your company. Obviously, you probably have chosen those name already, but what I normally recommend is just search for the name first. Make sure that name is available as well. So first thing you want to do is then click on set up a limited company, right? Once you go right here, they will tell you all step-by-step process. Like first you do choose the name, you choose who will be, if you are like a partner with someone, you can like have two people form a same company as well, but most of the people gonna be registering by themselves as well, so I'm not gonna bore you with the details. So first thing you're gonna do is you have to check if the name is available. If the name is available, obviously you will be able to register that. So what I want to, like, let's say whatever the name you want to have, you need to search for that name. So for example, if I want to start with the Zen Amazon, I just want to show you how it looks like normally. So once you start with Zen Amazon, it will tell you that no exact name matches found for Zen Amazon. So it's mean this name is available. I can register the company under this name as well. Obviously, I won't be using Zen Amazon Limited. Obviously, Amazon will have a problem with it as well. So what you want to do is like whatever the name, I just wanted to show you this example. Once you know the name is available, the next thing you do is this is what they normally need. It's not rocket science, nothing, just a normal stuff really. Your name, your date of birth, your telephone number, your national insurance number, your passport number, all that kind of stuff as well. And it's going to cost you £12 to open a limited company. You can pay by credit, debit card, and you can pay by PayPal as well, but it's not written here, but I think you can pay with the PayPal as well. So it's going to cost you £12 and it will get registered in 24 hours. So once the company will get registered, they will send you a certificate for that, and that will come in the post to your house address. This is all the information they're going to ask inside the form right here. Are you starting a new application? This is not something which like you can't really understand, and obviously I don't know your name when you are watching and all that kind of stuff as well. So I'm not gonna bore you with the details because I don't want to have this video go for 3 hours and 4 hours. So I think from here, this is the part you will be able to do it by yourself. But if you will have any question, always, comments are open. You can ask me right here as well. Now the first part is obviously done. You have a limited company, you have registered the business. Next thing we need to do for that limited company, we need a dedicated business bank account. You can't use your own personal account for it as well. The money that you're gonna make as a business belongs to that business. So during I tell you what business account to go for, obviously the cheaper one and one that I use as well, I'm gonna explain you how the stuff with HMRC and the VAT gonna work, all that kind of stuff as well, because they are very much similar to each other. So normally for the business account, what you want to do is go on to Tide website, Tide Business Banking. I will leave the link for that inside the description as well. But this is something, it's simple. It's a simple pricing. Obviously, business accounts are not free. They charge you money for it as well. But this is a very simple to understand. Okay. Once you just simply go there, okay, they have a plans. So I will even you don't even need a plus plan. Trust me, you will be okay with the free plan as well. Later, if you need to upgrade, obviously you can upgrade as well. It's very simple. Anytime, whenever the transfer, any payment will come in, they will charge you 20 pence. Okay, that's not a lot of money. Like if somebody will transfer you £500, they're only gonna charge you 20 pence on that one as well. So with Amazon, they combine the payment for a couple of days and then they send you as one payment. Not every time when the buyer will buy something and the money will come to your account. That it's not the way it works. They combine all the payment for a couple of days and then they will send you the money inside your bank account. So if you have to pay 20p on that transaction, it's very simple, not a lot of money as well. But if you need to withdraw the cash, which from the business I don't really recommend you withdraw the cash, but if you ever need to, then £1 they're gonna charge you for you to withdraw the money out of that. But rest of everything is just like you don't really honestly need this one as well. So I would say start with the free account as well. The thing with the Tide and the reason I like it so much, like it is very transparent to tell you all the things as well. And if you have the business card separate for your business, so if you buy something for your business and you need to really claim that money back once you do your tax return, which we're going to talk about as well, all the transaction, all the expenses will be at one place. So it will make your life so easy. And as a limited company, as a business, you can't keep the money, you can't use your personal account. Having a business account is a requirement for your limited company. So this is what I recommend. But thing with once you open the account with the Tide, what they do is, which is not really written here, but I know once you do it, they actually registered the limited company for you as well if you need that one. So for example, I'm just gonna go and look for you as well. So if I normally go to Google, I say open a limited company. If I Google that again, I think that gonna pop up, right? You see right here, free company formation as well. So with the Tide, you search if the limited company is available just like that. You don't need to go directly onto HMRC website. Once you open that account with them, then they will actually pay £12 on your behalf as well. So for you, it's going to be free. So I will recommend just come directly onto Tide, open the business account here, open the limited company here as well, and job done. You see how I make your life easy as well. With the Tide, once you open a business account, the next thing that we need to understand, how the tax man gonna charge you the money. The tax, all the responsibilities, we need to understand those things as well. So with the limited company, obviously it's considered as a self-employment. Once you are working somewhere, once you get the pay slip, the income tax, and obviously the national insurance number is already deducted from your account. But the thing is, like, as a limited company normally pay corporation tax. So whatever the profit you're gonna make, you're gonna pay 19% on that one. But the thing is, from the limited company, if you need to pay yourself, like as a director of a limited company, you need to, you can either pay yourself as a monthly salary. On the monthly salary, obviously you will have to pay 20% income tax and 9% national insurance number, or you can pay in the terms of dividends as well. But obviously, if you are paying, let's say, £400 every single month, there aren't going to be any income tax on £400 as well. So rest of the money will stay inside the limited company. But once you will get into it, you will understand as well. But this is the way normally the tax works. Once you start, let's say you have opened the limited company, you open a business bank account. What I normally recommend is to have an accountant as well, because with the accountant, and I'm going to show you the one I actually use at the same time, I'm going to leave the link for them inside the description. It's not a lot of money, but, and also, whatever the money you're going to pay to your accountant, whatever the money going to go through your business banking, all that kind of stuff, all of that are deductible expenses as well. So get the accountant for yourself. I personally use Osome, and the reason I'm recommending you Osome as well, because the thing with Osome, that they grow with you. So if you are like a new seller, they have a different plan for you. If you are, let's say, a established seller, they have a different plan for you as well. So on their website, I will show you all the prices and all. You see, this is where they have a mini package right here. So it covers your, if you are making under 7k, they will cover your bookkeeping. So bookkeeping means anytime when you buy something for a business, you need to keep the record for yourself. HMRC can ask you anytime. And then on the top of that, your profits and everything. So they have like a software, like application, which can link with your Amazon account, and everything will become automated. So this is £45 per month, £550 a year. Trust me, if you're selling on Amazon, this is something you're gonna need. It's gonna make your life really easy. They're gonna take care of all that kind of income tax, and they're gonna advise you how you can pay yourself, all that kind of stuff as well. I'm gonna leave the link for them inside the description, and I have a affiliate link from them. So if you go through that link, you will get £100 off as well. But this is something you definitely need. The VAT you will only have to pay if your sale will go over £85,000 within 1 year. But most of the people, once they are just starting out, obviously the sale is not going to go that far. I hope it will go in your case. I'm not being negative here, but realistically it's not gonna go that far as well. So I'm quickly gonna explain you how to open the account as well on the screen right here. And on the top of that, I will obviously show you how much it's gonna cost and what is the right way to go as well. So let's go on to Amazon, open the Amazon selling account now. And to open that, just simply come on to Google, and then just search for Amazon selling account. Once you come here, just click on the first one right here, and it's saying start selling on Amazon. Choose the right plan, all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna explain you. Don't get confused as well. First, we need to understand. In that, they will ask you the plan, and buy like a individual plan or buy like a professional plan, both of them as well. So first thing you have to do is see the plan. What is the ideal plan for you? Okay. So for the first one, they have the individual plan and they have a professional plan. I will suggest you go for the professional plan once they will ask you there. But once the item in this plan, once the item will be sold, they will charge you 75p as like is a part of selling plan. But along with that, there are going to be other expenses as well, which I will obviously show you how other expenses gonna work at the same time. With the professional plan, it's gonna be £25, and this is going to be fixed one plus the VAT at the same time. So it's going to be around £30. I will recommend go for the professional plan. But according to Amazon, what they normally do is they ask you if you have less than 35 product, then go for 35 products a month, then go for this plan right here. But if you have over 35 product, go for professional plan. But trust me, if you're just gonna be selling less than 35 products, then there is no point selling on Amazon in a month. Like that's like literally 1.5 products in a day, not even 1.5 as well. So you don't get like access to like you know many tools inside as well. So I will normally sign up for the professional one. This is something like you put your name, you put your phone number, all that kind of stuff right there. But let's talk about like how the basic understanding, like how selling on Amazon is going to work at the first time. So you choose the selling plan. Once you list something on Amazon, once you create a listing, what's going to happen if the product will sell based on the product category? Let's say it's mobile phone and accessories. We're going to talk about the right product for you, obviously, at the same time when I talk about the product research, all that kind of stuff as well. So they're going to charge you a referral fee somewhere between 8 to 15%, right? And then is going to be the fulfillment fee. So fulfillment fee, if you are packing and shipping all the stuff by yourself, there isn't going to be any fulfillment fee because you are doing the packing and shipping by yourself as well. But then in that case, you will be Amazon FBM seller, fulfilled by merchant. You are merchant. In the other case, if you want to become Amazon FBA seller, you don't need a separate account. It works everything under one account as well. So once you are creating a listing, you just simply choose you want to sell it as like you want to do the packing shipping by yourself or you want to send it to Amazon. We obviously going to talk about that as well. So fulfillment fee, normally it depends on how big is your item. So they're going to charge you storage for that, and obviously they need to store your stock and inventory. And once the product will sell, obviously they will charge for the packing and shipping at the same time. But just to calculate the cost, what I will normally recommend, you just simply go on Amazon FBA fee calculator UK, right? Once you normally go there, Amazon FBA fee calculator, and then you just normally put the dimension for the products, what is the what is the category, all that kind of stuff as well, and then get the estimate. This is I normally do once I'm doing my product research. So this is how you calculate the fulfillment fees at the same time. Fulfillment mean Amazon is shipping the products for you. If you're shipping by yourself, as I said, you don't need to worry about this one as well. But a lot of people ask me, like, can I just send like 1 and 2 products to them and start it as like, start from less and then increase slowly? Of course you can do, because there is no minimum requirement. You can start from the less cost at the same time. With the other cost, for example, you don't really have to worry about this one at the moment because I don't want to make the process too complicated for you. Now let's talk about what kind of tools you're going to need and how you're going to do your product research and how you're going to figure out what to sell, all that kind of stuff as well. So what I will normally recommend, get the Jungle Scout. I will show you how it works as well, or get the Helium 10. These are the tools that I normally use at the same time. Start with the Helium 10. That will be great. At least download the free Chrome extension for this one, and just like play around with it, and I will show you how to do that as well. And I will leave the link for both of them inside the description as well. So what you normally do is, once you open an account, then there will be a verification process as well. Amazon will call you and they will like verify your details, and they will ask you to show the ID and verify with your face, all that kind of stuff as well. And once you go through that, your account will be ready. And filling up the simple form, putting your name and address is not really a rocket science right there. So with the product research, what you want to do is first go to amazon.co.uk and understand that most of the product that you will see on Amazon are being sold by the sellers like us. It's not all the products are being sold by Amazon. So I sell mobile phone and accessories, and I will give you example how does that work as well. So for example, this is a generic product. It's not like a company or stuff like that. What you normally do, a company, what I mean, it's not like Apple who is selling the product. Obviously, whoever is selling this, they registered a limited company as well. So all that kind of stuff, just like you did with me now. So what you I do is Amazon doesn't tell you how many has been sold. Of course, you can see the like reviews and rating, all that kind of stuff. If you have the extension loaded, all you have to do is click on that one right here and then run Helium 10 Chrome extension, run the X-ray, and it will tell you that this product is selling a lot, like 14,474 of them already has been sold. This is going to be £2 and 75 pence, all the images, all that kind of stuff as well. But let's say I like this product, I want to buy this product, I want to sell this product as well. So what I normally do is go to alibaba.com. With the Alibaba, I will show you, all the process, so you don't have to get scammed, all that kind of stuff as well. You will know how to buy from Alibaba. So you search for iPhone cable. Okay, once I search for iPhone cable, you can see right here, it this is the product. This is, if you want to buy 50 to 199 like kind of items for this one, it's going to cost you this money. But obviously you will have to pay for shipping as well. But with the shipping, because I sell mobile phone and accessories, it's going to cost you around 90 pence per piece. So if you are buying this one like 90 pence per piece from Alibaba, and then you are selling on Amazon for how much price the seller is selling, 8.99, obviously there is going to be good profit. But once you are on Alibaba, what I normally do on Alibaba, whoever the seller you are dealing with, you can see right here. Let me move myself onto the other side so you will be able to see. If you see, this is first of all a verified supplier, okay, and then they are on the platform for 13 years. How many years they are dealing with, it's going to show right here as well. So ideally you want to deal with somebody who is selling more than 3 years minimum. And then how many transactions, obviously the seller have done a lot of transactions as well. So you want to see how many transactions they have done at the same time, but how long they've been on a platform, all that kind of stuff. This is something I normally see. So once you contact that supplier, ask them, okay, my name is this, I want to sell this product, and I what I want to do, you wanna like you contact the supplier and you tell them what's your minimum order requirement is. Like this one doesn't have any minimum order requirement, you can even buy one piece as well. So once you normally contact them, tell them you want 500 pieces, how much is going to be in total with the shipping, all that kind of stuff. So they will tell you, okay, this is going to be the shipping price. Once the product will come to UK at the customs, whoever is dealing with, for example, UPS or UPS or anyone who is dealing with the logistics of it, they will send you the custom invoice. They will ask you, this is your custom duty is going to be, you pay that one, and then the products get delivered to your house, and then you just list them on Amazon and just start selling. So this is like a basic guide, and this is the first video of this step-by-step guides where I explain you how to start everything. Obviously, I'm going to be going into more detail as well. For that, you want to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, ask me inside the comments as well. I will be more than happy to guide you with that.